This is a new collaboration between Chapter Art Centre and Cadw.
The project is supported by Film Hub Wales, and as you can see around you, we've also been working with some very creative students from the University of South Wales who are studying lighting design and live event technology. What we've tried to do is to create an immersive experience for our audience, a chance for them to see Caerphilly in a different light really, with the students from the University of South Wales adding special effects and sound effects like creaking doors to screeching bats to smoke machines, which we've positioned above the murder holes so it's actually billowing out as people are walking into the castle. Tonight we're showing the Disney film Tangled for our family audiences. This castle is one of the great medieval castles of Western Europe and is the largest castle in Wales. And one special feature here at Caerphilly is the Great Hall, where the main feature films are being shown. We're showing the classic horror, the silent film Nosferatu from 1922, with live score from Steepways Collective, which really adds to the atmosphere here in the Great Hall. It's been really great to do something different and creative here at the castle, bringing new audiences in to experience great films in unusual locations, and we hope to do a lot more in the future.